I am K.D. from the Department of Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing. Today we are going to have a small talk about milling cutters. Let's go. First of all, what is a milling? Milling is a process of machining using rotating cutters to remove material by advancing the cutters into a workpiece. What is a milling cutter? Milling cutters are the essential component of a milling machine. What are the types of milling cutters? There are many types of milling cutter: plain milling cutter, side milling cutter, end mill cutter, T-slot milling cutter, fly cutter, and gang milling cutter. Next is plain milling cutter. A plain milling cutter are cylindrical in shape, have a tooth only on a periac surface. These types of milling cutter are used for making flat, plain and horizontal surface. Face milling cutter. A face milling cutter made with the large diameter of the cutter, which is bolted or fastened with the spindle nose. It is mainly used in face milling operation where flat surfaces are produced. T-slot milling cutter. T-slot milling cutter is a special form of end mill for making T-slot. These teeth are formed on the circumference of the both sides of the milling cutter. Gang milling cutter. Gang milling cutter is a type of a milling cutter which several surfaces are machined on the workpiece. Up milling and down milling. Up milling is mostly used. In this method, the workpiece moves in opposite direction of the rotation of the cutter. The chip first cuts to the thin spot of the cutter. Down milling is used only where it is needed. In this method, the workpiece moves in the same direction. The chips first cut from the rough spot. In this method is used for deep cutting. Cutting speed. The cutting speed of the milling cutter is the speed at which circumference of the cutters moves as much as in a meter per minute when machining a certain metal. To find out cutting speed, there is a formula for V is equal to pi by dn by 1000, where V stands for cutting speed, D stands for the diameter of the milling cutter, and N stands for the milling cutter speed in RPM. What is speed? Speed of the milling cutter is the rate at which the rotating cutter enters the workpiece, which is measured in mm per minute. To find out feed, we have F into N, where capital F stands for feed rate, small f stands for feed per tooth, small n stands for number of teeth on the milling cutter, and capital N stands for the rotational speed of the milling cutter. With this, I am concluding. Hope you understand about what is a milling cutter and its types, and cutting speed and cutting feed. Thank you.